Welcome to JewelStep, the ultimate cloud-based ERP solution tailored for jewelry retailers and manufacturers. Today, let's explore the powerful manufacturing dashboard and see how it can streamline your operations. The manufacturing dashboard provides an at-a-glance view of your ongoing production processes. For example, here you can easily track jobs in progress, jobs not yet initiated, and the detailed status of each job order. Take this job order with tag number 778 as an example. You can instantly see that it is 80% complete. The dashboard also shows the progress of every order, helping you stay updated on how much work has been completed for each one. You can also view the distribution of orders across workstations. For example, filing department has 5 orders, main office has 1 order, ceramic and casting departments each have 1 order. This makes it easy to monitor the workload in every department. The dashboard also highlights delayed job orders and tracks how many orders are completed. Everything you need is right at your fingertips to ensure smooth operations and timely deliveries. Lastly, you can review recent sales orders directly from the dashboard, making it an all-in-one solution for managing your manufacturing and sales processes. This is the JewelStep Manufacturing Dashboard, your key to efficient jewelry production management. Thank you for choosing JewelStep.